Friends, welcome back to Joe Tutorial, and in today's video I'm going to show you how to enable or disable ads in your Brave browser on your Windows 10 or Windows 11 computer. So inside your Brave browser, guys, you want to click on the three lines on the uppermost right hand side. Then from here, click on settings. Right, then on the left hand side, the third option down, you want to click on shields. And as you can see here at the top, it says trackers and ads blocking. Now it is currently on standard, but if you go there, you can simply go ahead and you can put on aggressive. So if you want to choose aggressive, or you can click on standard, and this will basically disable it. So once you have it on standard, it will be disabled. You can even make it even more aggressive if you so desire. But if you want to enable it, just simply click on disable, and that will disable it. So this is how you do it. To enable ads, you want to go ahead and turn off this option. So to allow ads in Brave, you want to disable this feature, and to disable ads, you want to go ahead and put it on either standard or aggressive. So very easy steps there, guys.